I have got my new iPhone. I got an iPhone sent to me from Popsy.app. I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. I'm so super excited. Like, I'm sick of paying full price for phones. Like, the price of phones has gotten so ridiculous these last few years that I am over it. So inside the box, we have the white box that the iPhone is housed in. On the back, it tells us what the model number is. Apple iPhone 7 is unlocked and it's 128 gigabytes. So let's go ahead and open this box up. I'm so excited, you guys. All right, so here's the moment of truth. All right, here is the iPhone. So it comes in this plastic baggie. These iPhones are refurbished. So let me take this out. Oh my gosh. This looks perfect. Look at this, you guys. That bad boy looks brand new. It is refurbished, but literally, those are just like my fingerprints on it. But literally, you guys can see, no scratches, nothing. This bad boy is clean. Let's see if it has enough power to turn on. It does, got some juice. Well, that's turning on. Let's look at what else is in the box. So underneath here, we've got a USB as well as a charger. Another thing that we get in here is this little pin. You guys can see that. And this little pin is what you use to open up the SIM card tray on the side. So I miss the iPhones with the button. This is an iPhone 7, so it has the actual button. I miss that. But it literally, it is on, you guys. So what's so cool about Popsy is that Popsy literally has refurbished iPhones for a fraction of the price. So if you're sick of paying full price for cell phones and you want to be able to save money but still be able to get a newer iPhone, I mean, they have 7, 8, 12, 11, like they have like so many different iPhones on their website, and they come with a 12-month warranty, which if you have looked at refurbished iPhones on other sites, like you'll know that like 12 months is really good for a refurbished iPhone. So they work with high quality refurbishers to refurbish these phones, and they're standing behind the product by offering you this 12-month warranty on the product. So I was super excited when they reached out to me to collaborate, because once I read about what they were doing and looked at their site, I was like super impressed. So yes, this is the Saving Sheila channel, so we like to save a couple coins on this channel. However, outside of these phones, literally starting at $99 for an iPhone, like you can literally get a newer version iPhone for less than $300. But the great thing about the Popsy is that not only do you save money, but it's good for the planet. It promotes zero waste by not just, you know, you have your phone, you throw it away after you're done using it for a couple years and it goes to waste. You're actually able to help the environment by buying a refurbished phone. You're saving money and you're saving the planet as well. So by purchasing a refurbished phone, you're saving so much waste than you would if you went out and you bought a brand new iPhone. Lastly, something that I really enjoy about Popsy is that they make luxury affordable for so many people. Not everyone has the finances to go out and purchase a $1,200 phone. So I love the fact that Popsy makes it possible for you to have an iPhone, which many would consider a luxury item, because there are cheaper phones, but literally Popsy makes it possible for everyone to be able to afford to have a luxury item like an iPhone. So you don't have to worry about getting a phone that's, you know, lesser featured, lesser quality. You can have the luxury item that fits into your budget, and we love when we can do that. I believe in saving money, investing money, and being able to put my money really where it matters. And for me, putting, you know, $1,200 into a phone doesn't make sense for me. I would rather spend $300, $200 and buy an iPhone from Popsy, and then be able to take the rest of that money and invest it in some cryptocurrency or some stocks or whatever, or just save it. Like, I would much rather do that than spend $1,200 on a phone. So it is possible to have luxury thanks to Popsy at a fraction of the price. So definitely, you guys, check out Popsy.app. The link will be down below in the description box, so make sure you click it and head over to Popsy.app so you can save up to 70% on new iPhones today. Also, make sure you follow them on Facebook and Instagram. Those links will be down below too. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.